Welcome back to our English Fluency series. In our first two videos, we broke the ice. We talked about overcoming the fear of English and busting those big grammar myths that hold you back. If you haven't watched the part 1 and part 2 yet, the links are in the description below. Go check them out. Now, your fear is gone. You know that perfect grammar is not required to start. So, what is the next step? Today, in this video, we are answering the biggest question every beginner has. How do I actually start speaking my very first sentences today? No more waiting, no more translating in your head. Today, you take action. Step 1. Stop translating. Think like a kid. The biggest mistake we all make is this. We think in our native language and then we try to translate it into English in our mind. This takes time and it makes you hesitate. Stop translating. Instead, think like a kid. When a small child wants water, they don't make a big sentence with perfect grammar. They just point and say, water or water please. Start doing that with your surroundings. Look around your room right now. Don't say the word in your mind in your native language. Look at the fan and think fan. Look at the door. Think door. Connect the English word directly to the object. That is how you train your brain to think in English. Step number 2. Start with short phrases, not long sentences. You don't need to deliver a big speech on day 1. Start using 2 or 3 word English phrases in your daily life with your family or friends. Instead of full complex sentences, just use simple phrases like good morning, thank you, I'm hungry, see you tomorrow, help me please. When you use these small phrases consistently, your mouth gets comfortable with the shape of English words and your confidence grows naturally. Step number 3. Talk to yourself or the mirror technique. But what if you don't have anyone to practice with? What if you are still shy to speak in front of others? Here is my favorite trick. Talk to yourself. Go to a mirror, look at yourself and speak for just 2 minutes every day. Or even better, open your phone camera just like I'm doing right now and talk to it. Talk about your day. Say something simple like, today is a beautiful day. I'm learning English. I want to be fluent. Nobody is going to judge you. Nobody is going to correct you. It is just you and your progress. Do this for 2 minutes daily and watch your hesitation disappear. So, let's recap your homework for today. Stop translating. Connect English words directly to things around you. Use at least 5 short English phrases today. Talk to yourself in the mirror or camera for 2 minutes. Remember, clarity is king. Don't worry about your accent. Just focus on being clear. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the English on Point Global, and comment below. I'm taking the first step today. Stay tuned for the next part of this series. Keep speaking, keep growing.